Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two website builder platform, which is Twoguysfinance and Wix. So to get started with a quick review, Twoguysfinance is an AI powered WordPress website builder that uses generative AI to rebuild or create entire website based on a prompt or existing URL. It's tailored for agencies, freelancers, and businesses that want full control of WordPress while still benefiting from the automation and speed. Then talking about Wix on the other side on the other hand, it's a well-established all-in-one website builder with its own AI website generator and robust design tools. It's beginner-friendly, highly customizable, and ideal for businesses, creatives, and online stores looking for flexibility without diving into WordPress. And talking about the strength about these two platforms, Twoguysfinance has a different varieties of strength. So starting with this little strength about Twoguysfinance, so it allows to convert existing websites into WordPress in minutes with the use of AI. Also, it offers full access to eliminators or elementals to drag and drop editing. Also comes with a Google Cloud hosting with a great speed performance. Also, that is used for scaling ESs, managing multiple clients. Then talking about the strength of the Wix website, Wix AI can create a website based on a few prompts. It also allows the drag and drop builder with 800 plus templates. It also allows the built-in tools for e-commerce, the SEO marketing, and booking. Together with the great for portfolio service and online stores. I'm talking about the overall conclusion about this platform. So you can just simply choose the Twoguysfinance if you want an AI powered WordPress freedom with scalability and a hosting in one place, together with the perfect for agencies and tech savvy users. On the other side, if you prefer a friendly all-in-one AI builder with a fewer technical headaches and great design versatility, just go for Wix. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.